The Tennis Alliance of Arundel County uses the sport of tennis to promote healthy eating and active living. We provide free tennis lessons and rackets to underserved communities in Anne Arundel County so that everyone can enjoy the sport of tennis for life. I am a lifelong tennis player and have received so much from the sport of tennis in terms of my health, my fun, meeting new friends. And I think it's important to share this wonderful sport with everybody. The biggest challenges come from being a small volunteer organization. And to that end, our board has made a commitment to bring on an executive director, which is helping to meet that challenge and to move us from a small volunteer group to a more professional organization that can grow and deliver more. SignUpGenius has been amazing. As mentioned, we are a volunteer organization. So being able to list all our activities, to have a site that I keep sending people to in terms of how can you help? And we list everything there from administrative help that we're looking for to our day-to-day activities, which is what we are all about. It works well for us and continues to work well for us. Thank you.